I'm chair of Ulster Schools and Seamus Wood's secretary, and a very hard-working committee of coordinators and a whole lot of other people who do a huge amount of work. I went away to some coal mines, and that was where I developed an interest, first of all, and then a love for Gaelic games. I won the McCrory in '67, and then won the Hogan final, beat Ghradam by the magic score of 1 point.
There you are, Jimmy. That's yourself in '77.
Those were the days, weren't they? '77 was a big one. Armagh hadn't won in Ulster since 1953, but in '77 there was a turnaround. There was a whole sea change in attitude and application, and we got to the Ulster final and won. We got to the All-Ireland final that year, as I say, for the first time since 1953. It was actually bigger for the county then than we actually realised. It's only now, and people talk about the effect that '77 had on the psyche of the Armagh supporter. The seed was sown for it in 1977. Well, I taught next door over in St Paul's from '71 to 2014. Ulster Schools evolved from Ulster Vocational Schools. I was involved from Armagh Vocational Schools from back in '72, and then eventually found my way, as happens in these cases, onto the Ulster Vocational Schools Committee back in the early '90s. I was chairman there for about 10 years, and then they decided that they would amalgamate the vocational schools and the colleges to form Ulster Schools. The amalgamation has been an unqualified success. We have 123 schools, play 75 competitions. There's over 1,800 games every year, and we have a fantastic committee. It's very nice to be recognised. I would actually accept the award on behalf of all the people who have done so much for me over the years and have made such an impression on me. One of the things that we would stress in Ulster Schools is that you're a teacher first and a coach second. Teachers only do it for a smile on a child's face.